Well, I think I'm about ready for a magical Christmas. Hi, my name's Christine L. Conroy. Welcome to Happy Stuff and Fluff, a channel for women over 50 who are getting happy and growing younger. Okay, so we're nearly there. I hope you've done everything that you have to do and that you're able to perhaps rest and relax on Christmas Eve, ready for the big day. As you know, in my last video, I talked about the fact that I've been thinking about this a lot, and I've come to the conclusion that Christmas is actually a state of mind. And I have meditated a lot and taken part in lots of lovely Christmassy activities. And although it hurts to do it because Charlotte hasn't been with me, and of course shopping without my daughter. However, today I want to say that yes, I'm ready for a magical Christmas. And someone asked me, so I thought that would be a perfect film to on the lead up to Christmas. Someone asked me about why I wish, at the top of the show, where the 5 words that go up the Christmas tree are what I wish you for Christmas. So for those of you who don't know, I'm going to explain what they are. So those 5 things, which are curiosity, hope, gratitude, zest and love, are the 5 positive emotions that are most associated with happiness, or feeling those 5 things as much and as often as you possibly can. And so that's what I wish you and your family for Christmas: curiosity, hope, gratitude, zest and love. And the more you can create those things in your life over the holiday period, the happier you're going to be. And so is everyone around you. And so that's what I've been trying to do, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So, starting just today, I want to tell you about curiosity, because I was decorating my home and I needed inspiration, and I watched YouTube and I saw someone making this particular Christmas decoration, and I thought, I have. In fact, in this case, I have some books that, one in particular that was kind of ripped and damaged in the move that no one else was going to want, that I was going to throw away, and instead I turned it into this. Oh, how fabulous is this? This is where my curiosity got me, because I wonder if I could do that. I wonder how you do that. And so I continued to watch. I gathered everything I needed, all the materials, and I spent a long time creating this particular wreath. It's a Christmas wreath. It's an unusual Christmas wreath, but I think it's delightful. And it also brought out the creativity in me, which put me into that flow state, which we also know increases our happiness levels. I will incidentally put the link to the video down below where I saw this being made. I know you probably won't have time to make it now, but you could certainly do it for next year. And if I'm honest, taking the baubles out of the middle of this and putting something else in, I might leave it up all year. Just a thought. So please tell me how impressed you are with that, because I don't usually make my own decorations. So are you impressed with that? Please tell me you are in the comments box below. And we're going to be talking a lot more about positive emotions in the new year. We need more curiosity, hope, gratitude. We need more zest and we need more love. I need that right now. You need that. And hey, so does the rest of the world. So that's what I wish you all year round, but especially I wish you that for Christmas. Have a great Christmas day, those of you who celebrate it, and have a lovely holiday, those of you who don't. And I'll see you soon. Until then, remember that on the Happy Stuff and Fluff, we are getting happy and growing younger. See you soon. Merry Christmas.